You wake up one morning in 2026. Nothing feels different. Same apartment, same job, same bank app on your phone. But here's the thing. Most of the decisions that will determine whether you're financially secure or stuck have already been made, quietly, invisibly, by you. And if you're like most people, you don't even realize it. Let me show you why. The numbers are simple, almost cruelly simple. If you start investing $200 a month at 30 with modest returns, say 7% a year, by the time you're 60, you could have roughly $145,000. Start the same plan at 40, even if you double your contributions, you'll barely break $90,000. Time is the secret weapon, and it doesn't announce itself, it just quietly compounds behind the scenes. Now, most people think they can catch up. They tell themselves, I'll invest more next year, I'll work harder, I'll figure it out. And sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. The uncomfortable truth is that the system doesn't care about effort. It cares about timing, inputs, and consistency. Here's how it really works. Every dollar you put in doesn't just sit there. It grows, slowly at first, then faster. Then it accelerates without you noticing. Miss a few years and that acceleration never happens. It's lost. It's ironic, isn't it? We spend decades chasing the latest salary bump, the newest market trend, the perfect side hustle, while the quiet math of compounding does all the heavy lifting for the patient. Most financial advice talks about growth, but the real game in 2026 is about resilience, not excitement, sustainability, not hype, protecting what you've built, not chasing what you can't predict. Consider the market. In the past decade, even with crashes and corrections, someone who stayed invested consistently would have doubled their money. Someone who jumped in and out probably broke even, or worse. And yet everywhere you look, the noise tells you, buy this, sell that, follow the trend. The irony is brutal. The louder the advice, the less it usually helps. Zoom out further. This isn't just about your account balance. It's about freedom, options, decisions you can actually control when life throws curveballs. And by 2030, these choices, or the ones you didn't make, will determine the kind of life you can lead. So what do you do with this knowledge? You could panic or ignore it. Or you could simply start noticing the invisible decisions that matter, the ones that compound quietly, that no one talks about. Because here's the final truth. The clock is running. And when you look back in 10 years, you'll realize your 2026 decisions weren't just about money. They were about control, security, time itself. And yet, nobody tells you exactly when the line is crossed. Nobody hands you the map. So here's the question that should keep you awake tonight. Are you quietly making the decisions that will matter, or will 2026 quietly make them for you?